This video will demonstrate how to work the right side decreases for the Floremus hat. So we have our swatch and we have our stitch markers in place. Now some of these sections have got an even number of stitches, like this one, and some of these sections have an odd number of stitches, and that means we just approach the end of each section and how we move the stitch marker slightly differently. Let's take a look. So we begin with knit 2, and then we're going to work our pattern. So slip 1 knitwise, knit 1, yarn over, pass the slip stitch over, and we repeat that until 4 stitches before a stitch marker. Okay, so with 4 stitches before the stitch marker, we are going to slip 1 knitwise, knit 2 together, slip 1 knitwise and pass the slip stitch over. So that's our decrease, and that was really easy because we've just got to the stitch marker and we can just move it straight across. In this section we're going to work our repeat until 5 stitches before the marker. So begin with our slip 1 knitwise, knit 1, yarn over, pass the slip stitch over, slip 1 knitwise, knit 1, yarn over, pass the slip stitch over, and here we are already with 5 stitches to go. So what we'll do is we'll slip 1, knit 2 together because we're working our decrease, slip another 1, and then pass that slip stitch over, and you can see we just have one more stitch. So we'll slip that one, remove the marker, knit 1, yarn over, pass the slip stitch over, and we need to replace the marker keeping our section stitch count correct. So I'm going to pull the last stitch back across, place the marker, and then pull that stitch back over to the right hand needle. So you can see just as we started off we had 10 stitches and we now have 8 in that first section, and in this section we had 9 stitches and we now have 7, so we're decreasing 2 stitches in each section. Let's continue. So 4 stitches to go. We slip 1, we work a decrease here, knit 2 together, we slip that final stitch, pass the slip stitch over, and just move the marker across. And in the final section we're working the repeat to the last 6 stitches. So slip 1, knit 1, yarn over, pass the slip stitch over, six stitches are left, so we're going to slip 1 knitwise, knit 2 together for the decrease, slip another stitch, pass the slip stitch over, and then just knit 2. And there we go, we've worked our decreases and we've maintained our stitch count across the row.